Now I will show you our OEM service. One, the advantage of our OEM service. You can customize the packaging according to your requirements to create a brand. There is a minimum order quantity. For test strip, our MOQ is 100,000 pieces. For cassette, our MOQ is 40,000 pieces. For midstream, our MOQ is 20,000 pieces. Box samples will be provided after the order is placed. The delivery time is about 45 working days after design and sample confirmation. And the order process is provide design, drawing, and packaging size. 2. Quotation. 3. Place an order. You need arrange 30% of advance payment. 4. Make carton samples. 5. It will take about 45 working days to produce the order after confirm the sample and design. 6. Pay the balance and deliver the goods.